mis, ¿qué tal? Bienvenido a mi canal. So as you can see, I have a new set of braids in my hair, and you're probably wondering, why is this girl always playing with her hair? It's because I do get bored easily, but I also know when I need to put protective styles in my hair, and in this video I'm going to explain how you should know when it's time for you to put protective styles in your hair, especially when you have heat trained hair. Bueno, nada más a decir, pero vamos a empezar. So just quick clarification, a protective style is something that's going to help you not put daily manipulation on your hair and keep it tucked away so that way it is left alone. Alright, one of the first things that I do that I notice that it's time for me to put my hair in a protective style is that I put heat on my hair more than once a week. Now, once in a while it's okay, especially, I shouldn't say it's okay, but once in a while I do give myself the okay to do that, especially when I have photo shoots. I've had a few of those lately, so that's kind of been the reason why I've been putting heat on my hair more than once. Yeah, once I realized that I've been putting heat on my hair more than once a week for a few weeks, it's time for me to just, you know, maybe take a break from the heat. Next thing I notice is that I start to get lazy with doing my hair. I don't wrap it properly at night. I don't want to be bothered with it when I wake up. I just kind of do whatever to it just so that I can move on with the rest of my life, because I don't like for my life to be my hair. When I notice that, especially when I'm getting lazy with simply wrapping my hair at night, it's probably time for me to take a break from having straight hair. Even when I find myself on wash day, when it's time for me to go ahead and straighten my hair, I just take really big sections and straighten it, because I don't feel like going through each section little by little. But I notice when I do straighten my hair in big sections, my hair doesn't last at all, and that's also forcing me to have to put heat on my hair throughout the week again because it wasn't properly straightened to begin with. The next thing that I notice that I do when it's time for me to just go ahead and say, hey, put your hair in protective style, is that I get overwhelmed with doing my hair. On wash day, sometimes it's fun, but after a while when you keep having to routinely do it, and I have a lot of hair, it just begins to get like, I don't feel like doing this, and then I start to rush doing my hair. I don't deep condition it. It's just like, I just want to get this done and move on with my life. And you can't do that with heat trained hair. You always have to deep condition it, because you put a lot of heat on your hair and you want to put as much moisture back into your hair at every stage of the straightening process as you possibly can. So yeah, once you realize that I'm just too overwhelmed, I just want to get this done and out the way, probably time for you to take a break from your straight hair. The next thing that I notice is when I'm not seeing as much hair growth as I usually do, because I am not properly taking care of my straightened hair, it's probably time for me to just go ahead and tuck it away and put it in a protective style. Now, my hair grows on average an inch every 3 months, and if I notice that after 3 months my hair really didn't retain much of an inch at all, it's because I was not properly taking care of my hair within those 3 months for whatever reason. Could be I was lazy, overwhelmed, etc., etc. And it's probably time for me to go ahead and just tuck my hair away, leave it alone, and let it grow. And then one of the last things that I noticed that I seem to do, giving me the cue that it's time for me to go ahead and put my hair in a protective style, is when I stop moisturizing my hair as much, because I don't want product to weigh it down, because I want to try to maintain my straightened hair as long as possible. Now, I generally like to put product on the ends of my hair 3 days after I've straightened it, and just by putting a little product, it shouldn't really weigh it down too much at all. But when I stop just even doing that, it's time for me to go ahead and get my hair in a protective style, so that way I am making sure that I'm moisturizing it every day and not have to worry about product weighing it down, because you're not going to be able to tell that my hair is weighed down with product when I have it in protective style. Bueno, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to share my content with people that you think would benefit from having heat trained hair or are trying to find an alternative to relaxers. If you have any specific requests of videos you want me to do, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And until the next video, Assalamu alaikum.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work